Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. This is Jahid Hassan and currently I am in Comilla Victoria College. I try to talk about my city in this video. Actually, I am originally from Chatpur, but for pursuing my higher study, I am now living in Comilla city. You know, Comilla city is one of the renowned city here in our Bangladesh. Although it's not a big city, but it's very important for several types of features. First of all, I have to talk about the educational institution. You know, in Comilla there are several types of educational institutions and all of them are very renowned. First of all, if I talk about the school college segment, then there might be some college like Victoria College, Jila School, Nawab Faizunnisa, Comilla Government College, and so many other types of college. And nowadays the Comilla Shikha Board College, they also do better. In case of university, I can talk about Comilla University, one of the most renowned university, and this is also my educational institution. And you can talk about something, some private university like CCN University, Bangladesh Army International University, and there are some types of specialized educational institution in our Comilla like Cadet College, Teachers Training College, and Technical Training Center, and so many other types of educational institutions are available in Comilla city. So for education purpose, many students they came to Comilla city for their education like me. And another thing I must have to say, that is Comilla city is famous for its different types of historical tourist spot, especially Shalbon Bihar is a favorite place for many students, especially for doing different types of educational tour. Many educational institutions they came here, and some researchers they also try to come here for this type of research work or academic work. And you can find here some modern tourist spot also like Magic Paradise Park and some other parks like Dinosaur Park, Blue Water Park, and so many other things. And some people they chose Comilla Railway Station, here Dharmoshagar Park, and many other things. And another one thing is the road condition here in Comilla is not actually very well facilitated. Although all of these roads they are very narrow, but the traffic jam is not high like Dhaka city. We see that in Dhaka city people they have to face traffic jam in each and every step. But here in our Comilla we don't see such amount of traffic jam. Although for the reason in case of narrow road, sometimes we may have to face some traffic jam, but it's not in a high amount like Dhaka city. Another one thing is the utility. You know, for surviving in a city, it's very crucial to think about the utility facility. In Comilla, I see that the electricity they also perform well. The water facility and the gas facility, all of them are up to the mark. So actually, if we think about the whole thing, the total thing of our Comilla city, then I think it's up to the mark. And Comilla till now it's considered as a district level, but I think in a near future or in a short time it will promoted as divisional city. So I think with this small area Comilla is doing well, and in future it will also do better. And there is one famous proverb which is usually recited by the people of Comilla. They said that Comilla egole Bangladesh egobe. So that's all about today's video. Thank you for watching.